We wanted a space where the dogs could relax while still being part of the family. So this is a wooden dog house designed for indoor and outdoor use. So we've been using this as a quiet place for dogs to be able to rest in. Even inside, it's nice for dogs to have a spot that feels like their own, especially when there's a lot going on around them. I like that the dogs can step inside when they want a break, but they're still right here with us. So this has a solid wood build, and let me show you. It is elevated. So you can see that it's elevated right here, and it also has a covered roof up here, if you can see. So this is designed to handle indoor and outdoor conditions. So just wanted to kind of give you a close-up. It does have these plastic cover for them to be able to walk in and out in. So if it is outside and it's raining, it keeps that water out. The design of the roof is amazing to be able to withstand the weather outside. And then on the sides, completely covered again, it is raised and they almost have like a little porch. So just wanted you to see it, like to scale with me sitting next to it. This is roomy enough for large dogs to fit in, and the assembly was pretty straightforward. It had like the 4 walls, the floors, the roof, and then this was already put together. You just kind of had to attach it, and then the walls just had to be attached. All of the hardware was included in it. So if you are looking for a dog house or just a space for your dogs to be able to relax in, whether it's indoor or outdoor, you should definitely check this one out.